Good shots until him. I was gonna re-angle, but we just don't really need to.
Kenji, your company strength's going down quite a bit.
Good shots, boys. Good shots. Up a little, up a little, up a little. Reform. Airwolf.
Or make sure to hold your chance. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Yeah, I know. I'm regain control.
W boys.
We can aim their necks. Big kills.
Aim around the neck.
You mean
Flag up.
flag up, flag up, flag up, flag up.
Chant in 3, 2,
Up a little, up a little.
1.
Closer, closer,
Chant.
closer, closer. Fire at will.
Chant in 3, 2,
Alright, hold your shots, hold your shots. Up, 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 up. Hold your shots, hold your shots up. Reform here, firewall.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
40-second issue left by cops. Yeah.
Pull, pull,
let's
pull,
fix
pull,
these
pull, pull,
gaps.
pull,
There's
pull,
no
pull,
line
pull, pull,
bonus
pull.
here,
Reform here, firewall.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Triangle here.
Fantastic job, boys. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Oh, that was a bit too soon. My bad. Just hold chance. Hold chance. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Pull back a little, pull back a little, pull back a little. 56, please watch your right. Just curve.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Pull, 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 pull. Pull, pull, pull. Not broken, just sort of nearly close to it.
Chant in
Head this
3,
way, right
2,
side, right side.
1. Chant.
No, I'm dead on the right. I'm dead on the right.
56, watch out, 56, watch out.
Chant.
56, look out, bro.
2, 1. Chant.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn
Chant in
around.
3, 2, 1. Chant. Fantastic, boys. It's a full chant bonus every single time. Chant in 3, 2, 1.
Let's go,
chant.
fine charge, fine charge, fine charge, fine charge.
Be careful, another line's coming down right now.
Did we get capped?
Chant,
Just
charge
pull,
in
pull,
3, 2,
pull, pull, pull.
1. Charge.
Yeah, yeah. Gotcha,
Yeah,
gotcha,
time for that
pulling.
chant. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Jump if you don't have good morale.
Reform here, present, present, hold, 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 present in front of us, in front of us, in front of us, hold, 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 fire.
Chant 3, 2,
Not doing that.
1. Chant.
Fire almost. Let them walk into it, let them walk into it.
3, 2, 1. Chant.
Push up, hold shots, up, hold shots, up, up, close. Shot here, hold shots here.
Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Boys, up, fire charge center, go, 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 go. Now flag up, pull, flag up, pull, flag up, pull.
Chant in 3, 2,
Car charge, car
1.
charge, car charge, car charge, we can win that car charge. Yes, 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 in, boys, in. Pull,
Flag.
pull, pull, we're getting double void, pull.
Chant in 3,
We're winning,
2,
we're winning, we're winning. Holy, good shit, good shit, good shit, good shit, good shit. Form here, form here, form here. Yeah, fine charge, fine charge, fine charge, fine charge. If you have a shot, fine charge. Go, 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 go. In. Blah, 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 blah.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Kenji company strength.
Yeah, pull. Flag, pull! Flag, oh my god, flag, pull, please! Somebody spotted, for the love of God! Thank you.
I got it. I dropped him.
Flag was lagging.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Where? Flag, watch. Thank you. Turn around.
Chant in
That was a good
3,
trade.
2,
We
1.
traded. Boys, hold your shots, everyone get your shots, everyone make sure you have your shots, Shift left, don't worry about it. Flag up, push up. 3, 2, 1, chant. Form here. Actually, push up.
Chanting.
Form here.
Actually,
Firewall.
wait a minute. Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant. Good job, boys. Chanting 3,
Flag up
2,
left.
1, chant.
Flag up like 150.
56. 56,
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
Form here, firewall. Fire and pull, pull.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
Alright, turn around. So push up 165. Reform here, firewall.
Chant 3, 2, 1, chant. Stand you.
We are kind of overextended. No, we're fine.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
We're 3 kills, 112 stealth, aim with their neck. Aim with their neck with that 9 trick.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
Push up. Yeah, hold shots. You 56, maybe current charge? Question mark? Fire charge.
Behind us.
See it. Pull. North, flank north, on the roof. 56, I'm pulling. 56, I'm pulling. 56, please watch out. Behind you. 56, behind you.
Chanting 3,
Oh, why
2,
so
1,
slow?
chant.
Turn around. Form here, firewall. Huh?
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
2 shots, boys. Up again.
Run, hold your chance. Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant. Flag up.
Okay.
Yo, those gaps, boys. Chanting 3,
Reform
2,
here.
1, chant.
Firewall.
You two, I'm shooting your
Space out, boys. Space out. Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
Re-angle here. Actually, push up, hold shots. Up.
One,
Up.
chant.
Form here, firewall.
I'm playing on the far right, by the way.
Bad fight, push up, bad fight,
Reform
push
right
up.
here.
Yeah, got you. Are you
Chanting
doing
3, 2, 1, chant.
Ooh, you're chanting. Holy shit.
Up, west.
Chant 3, 2, 1, chant. Flag guards on the flag.
Boys, charge us, snipe this.
Kenji left.
And hold. Form here. Alright, go. Fire charge this. Go.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant. Flag guards on flag.
Go, boys, in.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
Boys, can't be losing. Pull.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
Current charge, form here.
Flag, they said pull.
Boys, pull. The fuck? Pull off. Hard pull.
Flag.
Boys, everyone pull. That means everyone pull. What are y'all charging for? See the CS, the bottom left? Yeah.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
Guys, pull when I say, please, for the love of God.
20 seconds, 80 seconds. You two,
Chanting 3, 2, 1.
2 CS. Brook. Form there. Everyone form there. Flag keep pulling. Flag it. 95th pull. If you're 95th pull.
Chanting 3, 2, 1.
Alright, turn around. Yeah, I'm heading right. Feet.
Your right's getting bullied by 2 lines, just to let you know. Oh, never mind, you see it. Chanting 3, 2, 1.
Oh, fire charge. See this? Boys, hold your shots.
Yeah, 30, you gotta come.
Go, fire charge. Go.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
Oh, boys, get quick flag.
The flag on your right got capped.
Pull, southeast.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant. Flag, follow the
Head
flag.
right, flag right, Terry right, this way.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant.
Actually, I'll match this solar line, but you gotta match this low comp base strength line. Form here. Push up, push up, push up, push up, push up,
Three, two, one,
push up.
chant.
push up,
Flag
push up,
push.
push up.
There's a line behind us. Flag
Zero
push.
seven,
line
060, 060, 060, flag, 060. Please, flag, 060, enemy behind you, flag. Jesus Christ. It's a flag. It's not that fucking difficult.
These are the people on the rifle line that are wearing rifle uniforms. Are they in VC? It's the same
Like, if you don't know what line I'm talking about, look at the marker.
It's a bloody 95th.
Dragon King! Dragon King, why the fuck did you just stop?
95th.
No, it was Dragon King I pick up, I just stopped it, bro. Yo, 40 second, 40 second.
before-
Inside.
Person beforehand.
Wait a second. 23rd, sorry, 23rd, you're right. 23rd, you're right, please. Oh, no. Oh, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, we're saved. We just got saved.
We're not far enough away yet.
Yeah, I need 33rd flag guards, not 95th flag guards. They
Bro,
are-
that was a bit of a atrocious horseplay with a flag there, I'm not gonna lie. Oh,
Yo, 33rd flag guards.
Chant
and 33rd
3,
flag
2,
guards.
I broke, 'cause I
1,
broke.
chant. Everyone follow the ping, follow the ping, follow the
this way,
ping.
boys, left,
Hey, follow
left,
the
left.
Kenji's
You should
ping.
be left, you should be left, you should be left.
Yo,
Form here,
33rd
firewall.
33rd NCOs, you guys are flag guards.
Chant 3, 2, 1, chant.
Flag, it's just
Not
wrong.
everyone needs
It's
to
fine.
go picking up the flag.
Hold shots,
Get
up,
in
up, up,
line.
hold shots up,
Chant
hold shots
3,
up.
2,
Get your shots up.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Yo, line on the road, line in the centers. Line in the center road. Watch behind you.
Chant 3,
Hold your shots,
2,
sir.
1, chant.
Whatever that line is in the cornfield, please be careful. There's a line behind you.
Chant 3, 2, 1, chant. Everyone space out, space out, space out, space
Yes, I
out.
was.
Make yourselves harder to hit.
Hold your shots,
Space out, go
right.
for the middle, go for the end of the
Hold
ball.
shots right, hold shots right. Form here. Triangle here.
Chant 3, 2, 1, chant.
Good shots up, up. Charge center. This might work, this might not work. Probably not work, probably not.
Flag up,
Flag up, flag up, flag up, flag up. Chant 3, 2,
Pull,
1, chant.
Can't get that French line behind it.
Pull this way, pull, boys, pull. Nobody else should be charging. Scavier, what the fuck are you still charging for?
3, 2, 1, chant.
Left. Yo, 23rd, turn in this. Form there, boys, form there.
Chant 3.
Yeah,
2,
present.
1,
Fire charge, 23rd, turn around, 23rd, charge us.
chant. Company strength, Kenji.
95th, pull me. Everyone else charge, everyone else keep charging.
Chant 3, 2, 1, chant if you're alive. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Alright, back up.
Yeah, they just mauled that line right
3,
there.
2,
Why did I drop that flag?
1. Alright, everyone hold chants. Chants in 3, 2, 1, chant.
Did we cap that? 95th, did we cap that? Did we cap it? They cap it. They capped it, okay.
And then,
Good shit, boys. Head right.
alright, everyone, come on, we can do better than that. Chant huzzah in 3, 2, 1, huzzah.
Up through. Yeah, thank you.
Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant.
It's okay, we're still leading, we just need to pull up and just like try.
Reset yourselves.
Yeah, reset, everyone's reset. Just like don't.
Yeah, everyone just let it fall.
Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant.
23rd and 23rd push up to keep the overextension.
Hey boys, just a quick tip. You guys want to space out when you're moving around, because the more you guys blob
Yeah,
the
but-
flag, the easier you're making it to get hit. There you
That's
go.
true.
Look at that. You're gonna be so much harder to hit moving around. Chant 3, 2,
Head
1,
left.
chant Kenji. That's the entire army in front of you.
I know.
Okay, it's fine. We have 50.
Riango here, form here.
Chant.
Let you stop. The left or right side.
Space out, space out. Once you fire your shot, space out.
Good shots, boys.
Chant 3, 2, 1, chant.
Pull. Yeah. Pull.
Buds. Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant.
Fire, yo, one's on me, Grant.
From there. Actually, well, pull. Hard pull. Where are you, Matty? Oh shit, 23rd.
Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant.
Yo, well, Matty, if you want to switch, I'd happily. Turn around.
Chant
Form here,
in
firewall.
3, Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant.
Pull.
Chant in 3, 2, 1, chant.
Yeah, I need somebody to match it. It's really ripping into me.
Flag up.
Pull.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Alright, turn right to go. Yeah, Matty, take 25E. Turn right.
Chant in 3, 2,
From here, firewall.
1. Chant. Sure, boys, fix that spacing. The more you're spaced out, the harder you are to hit. And the more kills you get.
Hold your shot, hold your shot, hold your shot up.
For real trust. Chant through it. 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Flag up. Yeah, find charge center, go, blah, 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 blah. Flag up, please.
Flag up. Do not drop.
Blah, 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 blah. You win.
Shoot your flag.
I'm gonna charge. Okay, pull back.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Flag this enemy you're rocking towards.
Pull.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Flag run.
Pull.
Flag run.
Flag, pull! Fuck me, bro. 31st capped. No, you don't. Yeah, boys, you see, okay, I don't know how much I could stress this. Yes. I don't know how many times I can stress this, boys. Pull when I say to pull. If you sit down and you charge, you break the company strength. We can't do anything if we have no company strength. No company strength, no spawns. No battle, basically.
It's the 95th people that are
That's the,
doing the
boys, that's the bottom line of it.
Team in their uniforms, so.
On the road.
Alright, everyone, let's get a practice chanting.
Good, we're still in it.
Rough roll nosy in 3, 2, 1. Rough roll nosy. Yeah, most of you got it right. You're doing well.
Did they bring two old guard lines?
Pickups. Perhaps.
Left side has to stop overextending it. Left side has to stop overextending it.
Chant
right,
3,
stop us.
2, 1. Chant.
Hold your shots. Nobody fires. That's south.
You're now the biggest line on the
Hold
field,
your chant.
kid.
Black Fox
Chant
and
3, 2, 1.
Dragon King. Flag guards, please. You guys are flag guards.
Left. Form here. Firewall.
Left side.
Nobody shots, boys.
Chant 3, 2, 1.
Angle here. Firewall. Old guard. Lovely. Firewall.
Flag up.
Look, guys, just so you know, these guys can hit their shots, so please be
Chant
careful.
3, 2, 1. Chant.
Remember, F9 trick. Aim their necks. You guys can hit your shots just as well. Look at that. They're pulling.
Drop.
Flag up.
Chant 3,
Flag
2,
right
1.
right side. To west. Yeah.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Boys, get ready to form me. They like to do this little. Head right.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Don't wait, 23rd. 21st, send your guys on 21st. Send your guys on, please, for the love of God. This way, left. Yeah, no, because I'm behind them.
Chant in 3, 2, 1.
I have to come and help 21st, or, yeah. 42nd, you reckon you can push? 42nd, you reckon you can push?
Yo, flag
Kenji
guards,
right
be
behind
careful.
you.
Old guards right behind us.
42nd, why are you pulling? Pull.
Guys, you gotta break right.
Fire charge.
Flags running.
No, Kenji, old guards behind us. Look,
Pull.
old guards right behind us, Kenji.
Turn around.
What?
Look at 23rd. Tell you, I know what they're doing. I know what they're trying to do. Don't be to be a fucking fool. I know what they're trying to do. Why do you think I said 23rd over the deal with them? Don't make me a fool. I know what I'm fucking doing. Form here. Left. Form here. Quick.
3, 2, 1. Chant.
Hold your shots up. Form. Alright, well.
Everyone, hold your chance. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant. Space out, boys.
24th, I need you to. 24th, I need you to push these guys. Up.
Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant.
At right side. 210. Yeah, 195. Perfect. 195. Perfect.
Got 2K1 stars. Nice job, boys. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant. Jump if you have poor morale.
Okay, I'm right here.
Yo, let's go. Let's reset.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Let's just reset.
W. Chant in 3, 2,
Form.
1. Chant.
Present. Present. Hold. Present. Fire.
Flag you can drop. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Pull. I'm not
Face
pushing,
out,
bro.
boys.
40 seconds, doing a little dance
Chant
beside me.
3, 2, 1. Chant.
Alright, turn around. Reform. Bro, 40 seconds just. Oh yeah, Darge just pulled into me, bro. Darge, what are you doing?
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Fuck's he doing? Just that we just
No,
jumped
we're
in front of my line and
boys.
didn't
Try and
fucking
space
weak.
out. Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Ah, bro, fuck, Matty had it. Hold your shots.
Chant 3, 2, 1.
Left, right.
Chant.
Left, right. Angle here. Ah, fire charge, go.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant. Flaggers and flag only. Chant in
Let me get the
3,
break real
2,
quick.
1. Chant.
Pull, flag.
Lucius, please do not sell the flag again, please.
There, 340.
Chant in 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Fire charge.
Flag up. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant. Flag.
Flag, third round.
Flag.
Fuck me, bro.
It's 95th.
It's the freaking 95th people. They
Pull
keep
back.
camping
It's a
around
dragon,
the
pull,
flag and
dragon.
picking it up.
Dragon, this way. Do you not see my marker? No, you might not.
Actually, no, we can't see.
Do you see my marker? Do you guys see my marker?
Okay, G, no.
No.
Oh my fucking god, what a time. My marker broke 2 seconds.
Did I put an officer loadout on it?
Hey, you guys, can you see it? Can you see it now? Yes? Yeah, fireball.
I can see
No,
Ryan's,
I
but I
can't
can't
see
see
it.
yours. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant. Space out, boys.
You just gotta start calling out the compass to Kenji.
I'll put an officer loadout on too to help you.
That's fine, I got it.
I don't think we can see it.
Boys, pull. You see it now?
Still can't see it.
Yeah, we see it.
No.
Tario, where are you?
Form. Present. Fire and charge.
Tario, do you have officer perms to take it from the 95th guys?
Chant.
Charge, boys, charge in. Keep
Okay,
charging. Flag
strength.
pull, everyone else charge. Everyone else charge, flag pull.
Chant 3, 2,
Everyone start this.
1. Chant.
Stay flag.
See if we get this break, Keep charging. We're not getting this break.
Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant if you're still alive. 1.
Turn around.
Alright, everyone, hold chant.
Respawn
Chant
here,
3,
fireball.
2, 1. Chant.
Pull this way. Oh, we're circle hard.
Again. Hold chance in 3, 2,
Turn this way,
1.
save this line.
Chant
Okay,
3,
turn.
2, 1. Chant.
Form, firewall.
Space out, boys, when you're moving around. You guys are all heading towards the center. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant. I got flag.
Yo, flag guards in the center, flaggers on the outside.
Flag drop.
Yeah, your line's done.
Bro, why did you pick it back up again? Flag drop. Only like one of these 95 floors.
Alright, boys, you alright? Flag up. Hold up.
Let me pick it
Up.
Chant
Reform.
3, 2, 1. Chant.
Alright, bro. Look, I'm trying to push, but all you fuckers, like, look, you're getting pushed hard, bro. Fire charge, boys. Fire charge. Go. Fire charge.
Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant. You're winning that. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant. Flag. keep
Watch
heading
your
up,
left,
flag,
hold
keep heading
guard.
up.
I see it. Pull. Yeah! This is what fucking happens, bro. Yeah. Kenji push wish! Exactly! My fucking point!
3, 2, 1. Chant.
Didn't get the
Flag,
break,
keep
bro.
going. Chant 3, 2, 1, chant.
Form here. Alright, well. Flag pull off a low. Flag pull off a low. 95th pull with him.
Chant 3, 2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1. Everybody hold chance, everybody
Right.
hold chance, hold chance, hold chance, hold chance. Chant 3, 2, 1, chant.
Hold your shots, 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 hold your shots.
Come on, you guys can do
Shots, hold
better
your shots,
than
hold your
that.
shots, hold your shots.
Chanting 3, 2,
95th go that
1,
way.
chant.
Turn left. We'll save, we'll just got to save him. You far enough, Itsu?
Chanting 3, 2, 1,
Turn around.
chant.
Above you, Brandon, if you guys-
Space up, boys, and you're moving around.
Hold your
Space up,
shots,
spread
hold your
out, spread
shots,
out.
hold your shots,
Chant
hold your shots. I ain't
3,
gonna
2,
blind.
1, chant.
Form here, firewall. Yeah, bro, listen, Itsu, we're all waiting on you.
Chanting 3, 2, 1, chant. Point blank, boys. Hey, all you guys moving right. The line that we're facing is more left. Chant 3, 2, 1, chant. Chant 3, 2, 1,
Charge, charge, charge,
chant.
charge, 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 pull. Black pull. Everyone else charge, everyone else charge, everyone else charge.
40-second center's gotta fucking keep Ralliers.
I pull, I pull, I pull.
Chanting 3, 2,
I pull. Everyone pull,
1.
everyone pull. Hey, carry, pull. Mr. Beans, pull.
I'm trying, but I'm lagging into their line. The frames are gone. Chant
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
chant.
it's disconnected.
Nice. Chant
Fire hasn't
3,
broken yet, no.
2, 1. Chant.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
Counter and break.
Okay, never mind. There you guys stand on.
Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Go, fine charge, fine charge, fine charge.
Slap their flag.
Fine charge.
Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Me too, me too, me too, me too. Run, run.
Come on, boys. You can win this. You can win this. Chant 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we gotta go try and save.
Head right, go. Be further.
Chant 3, 2,
Fine charge us, fine
1,
charge us.
chant.
Get ready for them to rally on the left.
Pull, pull.
Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant.
This way, Tario.
Play for
3,
company
2,
flag.
1. Chant. Everyone hold your chants. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant. Spread out, boys. Again, you're all.
40-second, you're right.
Easy targets. Bingo. That's what you want to do right there, boys.
I'm
Chant
here,
3,
Firewall.
2, 1. Chant.
Wait, none of these guys, right, Ryan?
Flag up, flag up, flag up, flag up.
What'd you say?
Chant 3,
fine charge,
2,
fine
1.
charge, fine
Behind
charge,
you,
fine
Kenji,
charge, fine charge, fine charge.
behind you, Kenji.
Pull, 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 left, flag, left.
Flag up, flag up, flag up, flag up.
What's he doing, man? Head right, right, right.
Chant 3, 2, 1.
Alright, boys, go full charge. Yo, 40-second, 40-second, 40-second. You're right side, inside. Royal, 23rd, 23rd. Oh.
We gotta try and save them.
Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant. Flag right to flag.
23rd, you let them walk behind me too, bro. What were you doing?
Chant 3, 2, 1.
Pull.
Chant.
Pull, pull, pull. Charge us, charge us, charge us. Fine charge, fine charge, fine charge, fine charge.
Yeah, it's kind of.
They're turning around on you, Kenji, on the left. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Turn around. Pull, pull.
Just sold the
3,
battle
2,
away
1.
with dumb blaze.
Fucking times.
Face out, boys. Come on, boys. One Rambo. You
Pull,
don't need
pull,
to
pull,
blow up.
pull.
Face out. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Good break, you stupid
Pull back.
ass.
Pull back, everyone. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Sarge, right side. Or left side, sorry. Turn around.
Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant. 8, 7.
Flag keep distance, flag keep distance, flag keep distance.
1, 3. And the battle's over.
Let's go turn around.
Alright, let's get one final chant in. Chant 3, 2, 1. Chant.
Fine charge.
Alright, have fun, boys. See what the final damage is. 3k, 3 stars. Hey, I got above 10 kills. But barely. I'm so crap at this game.
No way you let the flag bearer get more kills than you, right?
To be honest, I don't even think you were holding the flag for most of that. It was mostly.
Oh, the
95th
95th guys were definitely holding the flag bearer though. They turned out really
Yeah, they had like 3 people sitting on our flag waiting for it to drop every single time, which is
And they
dumb
still-
because
and one of them at
most
least
of them are in
was
VC.
And I don't. There's only 1, 2. Oh, they're all in VC.
There's 2 in VC. Oh no, there's 3. Oh, 4.
This one, yeah, they're all in VC. And they still see the flag. No. I feel like we should bring them on stage to ask them what's going
There's
on.
700 difference, so I guess it wasn't that horrible. I think Kenji screaming his head off in TeamSpeak.
Don't blame it on us because I switched the drop point, didn't, but we would have lost that on that. Alright,
Bro, why'd you take the flag from me?
left right there.
Cringe.
Because you're black.
What do you mean? I what?
Yo, what we needed was 33rd flag guards. Already see like 3 or 4 33rd flag guards. And no one wanted to flag guards. So we lost.
I don't know what Kenji's gonna say in his debrief, but all I'm gonna say to you boys is that spacing out when we're moving around could have been probably a big help there because a lot of
No,
times
we have a lot of new people in our line.
Yeah.
that is true, but I'm just still saying
That could be easy.
the more you space out and you